Here is Stewart talking from N2 ERP, a solution based out of New Zealand. Very excited to have you here, Stewart. Thank you.
Thank you, Heather. I think I can knock this out in 3 minutes. We came over from New Zealand this morning with a plan to crack open the Australian market, and we hope to do that by Friday and meet again. So, first of all, N2, it's 10 years old now. It's an ERP product. It has just about everything in it for retailers and distributors. It's got CRM, procurement, e-commerce built into it. We do our own websites as well. It has distribution, full pack and dispatch, and mobile versions. And our biggest customer turns over 80 million in revenue and 200 users. 2 years ago, we decided to extend our market reach by integrating into Xero, which gave us the opportunity to move into smaller businesses that had just as much complex requirements as larger businesses. In Australia, we're represented by Rich Adon, Jerry, and one of the bonuses from integrating Xero for us is that if our customers run out of Xero, they run out of capacity with Xero, they can use their own financials. So there's an upgrade path for Xero customers to go to N2 financials. This basically means we want customers that are going to use all of our product. We don't want customers who think that technology is a cost. They've got to see it as an investment that's going to grow their business. If they don't, we're not the right solution for them. Our automation is two-way and automated. And we've got a great customer list here in Australia and New Zealand as well. So that's all I've got.
Thank you so much, Stewart.